Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the top stories. Government constitutes House Committee to take final decision, National Highway diversion, all MLAs from affected constituencies on the committee. Parrikar criticizes Urban Development Minister for not fulfilling assurances regarding corruption in the CCP. Tells him either to put things right or resign. Joki Alemao agrees to irregularities in the CCP, orders independent inquiries into all the scam in the corporation. Parrikar demands suspension of Walpoi PI and Bicholi PSI in the Utkarsha death episode. CM assures to transfer the officers, orders independent inquiry. Mickey Pacheco finally gets conditional bail. Court says no evidence still now to establish Section 304 on Mickey. Government to terminate services of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan teachers. Education Secretary says the teachers do not have qualifications. BJP raises NSUI chief attack issue in the assembly. Government says they are still tracking the assailant. Congress leaders play down the issue. Opposition points forest land worth 1600 crores acquired by private parties in the state. Forest Minister to constitute cells to monitor land dispute cases. And now the news in detail. Government has constituted a House Committee to take the final decision on the diversion of National Highways 17 and 4A. All the members from the affected constituencies are been made by the members of the committee. Opposition and ruling MLAs have suggested PWD Minister to take up the work of Zuari Bridge on priority.
Under Rule 171 of Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business of the Goa Legislative Assembly, a House Committee by constitute to examine various aspects related to 4-6 laning of National Highway 17 and 4A in Goa, consisting of the following members. Sri Digambar V. Kamath, Honorable Chief Minister, is the chairman.
The first thing, as part of that highway or 6 laning, let them start that signature bridge of yours at Zuari, which is required both by North Goa and South Goa. That will be the biggest achievement for you.
Ji Zuari Bridge, signature bridge, Talpanal Galjibachi Bridge, Puil Amkam, preference demand Puilo, studying Tangalpa Foundation. But T pass Sabada, T pass on separate Magoj Podolantaka and Tamidolo.
Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar demanded immediate suspension or transfer of Walpoi PI Shivram Vaigankar and PSI Terence Wise for negligence in investigating the Utkarsha Parab case. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has assured to transfer the officers and has ordered independent inquiry. Meanwhile, after the assurance, Walpoi cars have called off Walpoi Bandh scheduled on Tuesday.
Utkarsha Parab's death issue was raised in the assembly session on Monday in 0 hour.
म्हाका दिसता हातून गव्हर्नमेंट सिरियस एक्शन जर घेतलें ना then let us forget about controlling crime.
That has to be inquired properly.
असलो सगळ्यांत व्हडलो प्रॉब्लेम तोच PSI रिपोर्ट दितलो आनी तो रिपोर्ट आमी हांगा वाचतले आनी हांगा आमी बसता लोकांक रिप्रेझेंट करपाक ते आमी सगळे शंड. स्पीकर सर सांगता एटलीस्ट he should be both PSI and PI should be transferred to the headquarters. ताका थंयचो कार्ड दुसऱ्याक पोस्ट कर आनी मागीर इन्क्वायरी कर मागीर वी विल एक्सेप्ट 2 दिसांनी एक्शन.
Speaker sir, I will talk to the DG and DIG.
You don't have to talk. You can give assurance.
Just 1 second.
Let him speak.
And pending inquiry, I will see that they are shifted from there.
The accused in this case, Nehal Gaukar, has been sent to 7 days police custody. Her parents Santosh Raut and Sumedha Raut were taken for remand on Monday. Walpoi PI Shivram Vaigankar briefed us more on this case. Opposition had demanded transfer of the PI.
2 ladies and 1 gents. स्नेहाला आता 7 दीस आनी कस्टडी आमी घेतलेली आनी तांकां दोगांक बाकीचे एक्यूज आसा तांकां आतां प्रोड्यूस करता आनी इन्वेस्टिगेशन सारकें ऑन ट्रॅक चालू आसा.
This is one of such cases where husband is against his own wife. Husband of accused and uncle of Utkarsha informed us that Walpoi cars have called off Walpoi Bandh that was scheduled on Tuesday.
जर तर त्यांची जाय तशी इन्क्वायरी जावंक ना आनी एक्शन जावंक ना जाल्यार आमी हो बंद फाल्यांचो जो केलो तो हेजे फुडें धुकलतले आनी फुडें करतले आमी ते.
Similarly, villagers from Brahmakamari have demanded CBI or CID inquiry in this case. Utkarsha was kidnapped on last Friday. Thereafter, she was allegedly forced to consume poison by her aunt. Utkarsha took her last breath on Sunday. This case exposed the negligence by police official. Our principal correspondent from Porvorim Murari Shetty, Aparna Gondalkar, Uday Parav with video journalist Anil Sanidhi.
Finally, some relief to Mickey Parekh of Margao Sessions Court has granted conditional bail to Mickey. Court has said that police have not produced any evidence establishing Section 304 of culpable homicide not amounting to murder on Mickey.
Mickey finally got bail. Sessions Court at Madgaon released Mickey on a bond of 25,000 rupees with conditions.
I would like to thank to all my people who there for all this time. That's all I want to say. And my prayer heard, Lord, and given me justice. That's all I want to say. I'll think that later. I'm still not fit.
Court observation: no evidence against Mickey of destroying evidence and of putting pressure on witnesses. Anti-mortem injuries on Nadia's body, relationship with Nadia and whereabouts of the maid are not the issues for which Mickey is needed in custody. Even after 14 days of police investigation, police have failed to trace phone, laptop, Retol tube and assault weapon. Mickey was booked for culpable homicide not amounting to murder, but there is no evidence yet to substantiate except police suspicion.
Advocate Anaklat Viegas told us the conditions laid by Madgaon Sessions Court for the bail of Mickey.
I am very thankful to the judiciary today because they have done justice to the cause. And the order is that the accused is released on bail of rupees 25,000. He shall not leave the state without the permission of the court. He shall surrender his passport and he shall inform his whereabouts to the police as and when he moves out of his home.
Mickey's supporters are right now rejoicing at the release of their beloved leader.
See, we all are supporters, strongly supporter of Mickey Parekh and good friends also. We are very happy today.
And as मुखार फुडें आमी next course of action आमगे कितें आहा तो आमगे चालू आसतलो till this government drop all the charges framed against him.
बेल मेळटली म्हणून गॅरंटी आसला आमकां तेणें जायत ट्राय केले ताका भितर उडोवपा भितर दवरपा पूण तें जावं ना आनी आय एम शुअर आसली ह्या केसींतलो तो भायर पडटलो आमकां गॅरंटी आहा इतलें आनी कांय ना.
Mickey was desperately trying for bail from the day of his arrest. He was granted bail as he has spent enough time in police custody. Mickey was discharged from GMC as soon he got his bail. He was admitted to GMC on Sunday after complaining of chest pain. A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt, from Panji Devidas Kamli with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.